Hi, today we are going to create a BAQ to have more information about sales orders, like for example, how many sales orders do I have in a company, from what customers, and we're going to review also the different tables in which information is contained, so you can see or you can know and learn how do you find information in a BAQ. Okay, so I'm going to start by creating the BAQ, that is sales order. You can put any name that you want. I'm going to save it, and then we're going to... Okay, so whenever you want to create a BAQ, the first thing that you have to do is the information that you want, that in this case is, for example, sales order, in which table is contained. So you can go to help and then application help, field help. And here you can find the table in which the data is contained. For example, if I go to customer, this field is named order header customer. If I go then to line, it's going to be found in the table order detail part number, and you can jump, and this way you can see like where is the information that you want. So we are going to start with order header. Okay, so here I have order header, and you go to display fields. I like personally to order by alphabetical order, but you can have it like here you have the most important information. So if you know the name of the field, sometimes it's easier to look for it alphabetically. But we're going to go ahead and just work with this, okay? So I'm going to put here open order, because the purpose is to know how many open orders do I have in a company. Okay, so I need this information, and then the company, of course, and order number and customer. We're going to start with this. Okay, so now that we have this information, we go to the Analyze tab, and then we click on Test. So here, as you can see, we have all the orders, and the ones that are marked with the checkbox are the ones that are open. And here I have the customer. Okay, so I'm going to order the information. If you click right here, you can order the information. Okay, so we're having a lot of information because we are receiving all the sales orders. Okay, yeah, right here. But imagine, for example, that you have like a lot of information and you don't want to work with that many information. What you can do is you go to Query Builder and then Phase Build, and you add a filter. So here we're going to add a filter that it's going to be open orders, and what we want to see is only the orders that are open. Okay, so this field has to be true. We test again, and as you can see, now we have only 664 rows. Okay, and all the information that we have, we are only going to have open orders. Okay, and also we can, for example, filter by customer. A tip that I can give you is you can export this information to Excel. So you select here, copy all include labels, and then you open your Excel sheet. And you select all the sheet, and then you go to text and you paste. Okay? and there you have all the information. If you don't do this step, if you have zeros at the left, they're going to be lost. So it's very important that you do this step, okay? And well, this is for this company. Here, if you click and you select show grid filters, you can see that we only have this company. So if we go back to the general tab and select, for example, all companies and cross company, and then we analyze again, we're going to bring information from all the 4 different companies that we have in this corporation. So this is a quick example of how you can run a BAQ. I hope this is helpful, and see you again in the next video.